Good morning, class 9. Today we will continue the chapter Atoms and Molecules with the topic Gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. So let's start. Gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass is used in the mole concepts. So firstly we will discuss these two topics. Gram atomic mass. We know that mass of an atom is called its atomic mass. And when the mass of one atom represent in gram, it is called its gram atomic mass. For example, oxygen we represent by O. O represent one atom of oxygen. And mass of one atom of oxygen is 16 unit. When this 16 U written as 16 gram, then this 16 gram is called gram atomic mass. Of oxygen atom. Similarly, gram atomic mass of one nitrogen atom, that is 14. Nitrogen atomic mass of one nitrogen is 14 U. If it is written 14 gram, then this represents the gram atomic mass of nitrogen atom. Gram atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram. It means when we represent the atomic mass in gram, that is called its gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass is represent 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms means this O represent the 1 mole of oxygen atoms. And 1 mole of oxygen atoms means 16 gram of oxygen, that is called the mass of 1 mole of oxygen. Gram atomic mass is used to represent the 1 mole of atoms. And 1 mole of atoms means it contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. This is just like when we called 1 dozen of apple or 1 dozen of banana. It means 1 dozen of banana, it contains how many bananas? 12 bananas. 2 dozen bananas contains 24 bananas. Similarly, 1 mole of atoms contains the number of atoms, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. If it is 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen atoms means how many oxygen atoms are present in a 1 mole? That is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. Suppose this is a box and this represents the 1 mole. Inside this, the number of atoms present, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. If it is 1 mole of nitrogen, it also contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole of carbon also contains these numbers of atoms. Now, what is the mass of this 1 mole of atoms? We know that this is 1 mole of oxygen, and 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen, their mass is 16 gram. It means mass of 1 mole of atom of element is equivalent to its gram atomic mass. The mass of 1 mole of atoms is called its molar mass. So molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of atoms, that is equivalent to its gram atomic mass. The unit of molar mass is gram per mole. The smaller mass of oxygen atom 16 gram per mole, and molar mass of nitrogen is 14 gram per mole. Molar mass of carbon is 12 gram per mole. Now gram molecular mass. As we know that the mass of one molecule of element or compound, that is called its molecular mass. Like molecular mass of nitrogen molecule, that is 14 into 2, 22 unit. Molecular mass of oxygen molecule. One molecule of oxygen contains 2 atoms of oxygen. So its mass is 16 into 2, that is 32 unit. Similarly, one molecule of water contains 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom. So its mass is 1 into 2 plus 16, that is 18 unit. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 unit. When these masses of molecules are represented in gram, if mass of one molecule of nitrogen is written 28 gram, then this is called gram molecular mass of one molecule of nitrogen. Similarly, 32 gram represent the gram molecular mass of one molecule of oxygen, O2. This 18 gram represent the one molecule mass of water, and 44 gram represent the molecular mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide. It means gram molecular mass is the mass of a molecule represents in gram. This gram molecular mass also represents 1 mole of molecules. 1 mole of molecules. And 1 mole of molecules contains how many numbers of molecules? They are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. In case of atomic mass, that was atoms. In case of molecules, these are molecules. So 1 mole contains how many numbers of molecules? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. For example, this represents the 1 mole. So 1 mole of nitrogen, it contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of nitrogen. So what is the mass of 1 mole? Mass of 1 mole of molecules is called its molar mass. That is called its molar mass. And mass of 1 mole of molecules, that is equal to its gram molecular mass. For example, mass of 1 mole of nitrogen, N2 molecule, that is 14 into 2, it is 28 gram. So this 28 gram represents molar mass. The unit of molar mass is gram per mole. For example, the molar mass of nitrogen, nitrogen molecule is 28 gram per mole. Similarly, molar mass of oxygen is 32 gram per mole. Molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram per mole. So this is about the gram molecular mass and gram atomic mass. Thank you.